Welcome to an in-depth look at the Sterling Bank MasterCard credit card. In this video, we're going to dive into everything you need to know about this card, from its key advantages to its potential drawbacks, and give you an honest review based on real-world experience. Let's start with the basics. The Sterling Bank MasterCard credit card is designed for individuals who want a straightforward credit card with accessible rewards. It comes with features like cashback on purchases, fraud protection, and the convenience of global acceptance thanks to the MasterCard network. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just looking to build your credit, this card offers flexibility for various needs. Advantages. One of the best features of the Sterling Bank MasterCard credit card is its low annual fee compared to many competitors, making it an affordable option. Additionally, it offers up to 1% cashback on purchases, which can be appealing if you're a frequent spender. The card also comes with zero liability protection, meaning you won't be held responsible for fraudulent charges made on your card. Plus, there's easy access to online banking and mobile app management, giving you full control of your spending and payments on the go. Disadvantages. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The interest rate on this card can be higher than some competitors, particularly if you carry a balance. This is important for anyone who doesn't pay off their card in full each month. While the cashback is a nice bonus, the percentage is lower than what some rewards cards offer. Additionally, there are limited travel benefits or bonus categories that you might find with other cards. Services overview. Sterling Bank's MasterCard credit card offers 24/7 customer support, and you can manage your account through their user-friendly online banking platform or mobile app. You can set up automatic payments, monitor your spending, and even lock your card if it gets lost or stolen. For people who value convenience and security, this card does a solid job of covering all the essentials. Cost overview. The annual fee is competitive, generally lower than premium cards, but it's something to factor into your decision. On top of that, interest rates for purchases can vary, so it's crucial to review the terms if you plan to carry a balance. Always read the fine print to understand the exact fees and costs tied to this card. So, who is this card for? If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-manage credit card with basic rewards and don't mind the lack of luxury perks, the Sterling Bank MasterCard credit card could be a great fit. However, if you're someone who carries a balance or wants high cashback or travel rewards, you might want to explore other options. That's the rundown of the Sterling Bank MasterCard credit card. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest financial tips and reviews.